Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it has been about 2 weeks. I want to say 2 weeks, 3 weeks. It hasn't been a month, okay? The point is, it has not been a month since school started, and my humans already have decided to catch some bugs. So everyone is sick. They came home sick with their bugs. I pray I don't get it, but I'm about to make some chicken soup. It's not going to be the regular chicken noodle soup. I don't have chicken chunks, and this is going to be Speedy Gonzalez because I don't have a lot of time. Okay, so let's get into it. So I've got some onions chopped and my green peppers, my lentil beans, my carrots, and some celeries. They hate celery but love carrots, so I have a whole bunch of carrots and not a whole lot of celery. And I also have some leftover chicken that I'm about to use, okay? In a saucepan, we are going to add our some olive oil, a little bit of olive oil, or a lot, some Haitian épices, and we're gonna dump all of our veggies in there and we're gonna give it a stir. And then we're gonna wait till it's like a little bit translucent and then add our celery and carrots. Like I said, this is gonna be Speedy Gonzalez, so I don't have time to wait for things to do a whole lot. And we're gonna wait for that to like soften up a little bit. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my beans, my lentil beans, and then give that a stir. The moral of the story is stir everything. And then we're gonna leave that alone until it softens a little bit. Then we're gonna add in the chicken and then give that a stir. Then we're gonna add in some coloring because I cannot have like white soup. So we're gonna add a little bit of prego for some coloring. Then we're gonna season it with some adobo, garlic powder, and sazon, and we're gonna give that a stir because that's all we do in here. My wrist was done by the time I was done with this. Then we're gonna give it a little bit more time, and then we're gonna add the thing from the chicken, the gravy, or whatever you want to call it, from the chicken. We're gonna put a lid on it, love her, leave her alone. And then we're gonna come back and do some more stirring. My kids don't want to see chunks of chicken in their soup. I don't know why, so I had to break up the bigger pieces of chicken. And then I'm gonna leave her alone some more. And then we're gonna add some water. I do not use broth or anything like that because these things are too high in sodium for me. So I always just use water. Whenever I'm making soup or what have you, I always use water. But you can use whatever you want to use. We're going to do some more stirring, of course. And I'm going to go in for a taste test to see if I need to add more of anything. And it turned out that I needed to add a little bit more of the sazon, a little bit more adobo. And I ended up adding, because I forgot, I ended up adding some vegan butter. And then we're going to go ahead and do some more stirring because we cannot just not stir, okay? And then last but not least, I am going to add some ginger and lemon juice to that. And then we're going to stir some more. We're going to do our last taste test. It tasted so good, if I do say so myself. And then I'm going to leave it on the stove to let it just simmer down a little bit more for like maybe about a minute. And it was all done. And here we are. My youngest eats a lot more than my oldest. So this is my youngest over here. And this is my oldest over there. And I'm not gonna lie, he tore it up. He was done before my oldest, and that was him. My youngest went to town, okay? Anyways, that is all for today. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. But until then, I hope to see you in the comment section. Bye.